Welcome everybody, Marcus Stone here. In this video you will learn how you can easily make a group chat on Snapchat in 2020. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just click on the right upper corner for this text box and you want to click on a new group. When you click on a new group, you need to have your friends in your Snapchat. This is really important. So when you're gonna have Snapchat friends, then all you have to do is just write here, like, I don't know, Marcus Stone, and like continuing to others. Wait a second. Stone. But right now, this is just a tutorial video, but this is how we actually do it, okay? So again, right upper corner, new group, and voila. And this is how we got it. It's quite simple, it's quite easy, and I believe you can achieve it. If this video was helpful, you can support and subscribe, you know how it goes. Thank you very much everybody for watching. I hope you will have a great day, and see ya. Goodbye.